let's see how to maximize your event ticket sales using Instagram, and also how we can actually use SMS marketing to increase your conversions and also the attendance for the event. So when it comes to Instagram, you can actually build AI chatbot automations when someone actually sends you a DM, or if they actually comments on your Instagram post or reels, or even if they actually reply to your Instagram stories, then you can actually start a conversation with those kind of people. So here in this video, let's see how we can actually maximize your Instagram story views and convert those views as leads and which can actually lead to more ticket sales for your event. So here I'm in a demo account, and we have connected this particular Instagram over here, demo Chatic Media. So here this is the Instagram account, and here we have already posted a story on the Instagram, and it says registration are now open for the AI Chatbot Summit 2025. Reply AI Summit to get your tickets today. So here, likewise, you can actually promote your offers or products through the Instagram stories, and when they reply with that particular specific keyword, we can trigger specific automations and send follow-up messages accordingly. So let's see how to set up an Instagram story automation to trigger a particular chatbot flow to boost the event ticket sales. So here I'm going to use a free template over here. So let me go to the flows over here. So in flows you can find all free templates, so this will be already installed on your accounts. So here let's choose this one, event ticket sales with phone number collection plus follow-up. So this is the template right here. So let me open this one. So here you can easily customize this one according to your own business information. You can change the links, you can do whatever you want right here. So this is about the Chatbot Summit 2025. So let me go through this particular flow just quickly. So here we send these sort of messages asking them if they would like to attend. So if they say yes, we then actually ask them for their phone number right here, and we actually send them a message in the Instagram, and also we also send them an SMS with a link to secure their tickets. And you can also send follow-up messages as well. Just for the demo I choose like 30 seconds, but you are welcome to change this different minutes, hours as well. And here this is the follow-up message sent to them asking whether they got a chance to get the ticket. So if they say yes, it's fine. If they say no, we actually provide them no problem, here's the link to grab your ticket. And here what happens is that the event is like 2025 December 10th. So here we have to make a few changes right here. So let's change to 2025 so it looks good. So here, because the event is happening 2025 December 10th, so what happens is that one day before that particular event, so let me change this one to 2025, continue, publish. So the event is on December 10th 2025. So what happens is that one day before that particular event, as you can see, 2025 December 9, we actually sending them a reminder SMS saying tomorrow is this particular event happening, can't wait to see you there. And what you can do is after the event you can even send them another SMS with the reply link as well. So thanks for attending the AI Chatbot Summit, as promised, here is your reply link. So that's how this actually works. So let me show how to connect this particular flow to an Instagram automation to trigger this when they actually reply to your Instagram stories with a specific keyword. So for that you have to go to auto marketing over here and choose Instagram story automations right here. So you can also do the same thing on the Instagram comments, but let's choose Instagram automations for now. So here let me actually create a new Instagram story automation, and let me say AI Chatbot Summit 2025 and click continue. So if you are planning to promote your AI Chatbot Summit in multiple Instagram stories, then simply choose all stories, so it will simply works for all the future stories and the past stories as well. And reply with, here you have to simply choose the flow right here. So the flow is event ticket sales with phone number collection follow-up template. So here you can actually duplicate this particular original flow and rename this one according to your needs as well. So let me simply choose that particular thing. So this is the flow name right here. So let me choose that one, and here reply to. So reply to, we want to set the keyword as AI Summit because that is the keyword we set up for the setup in the Instagram story. So let me choose the same keyword right here. So AI Summit. Alright, so when someone reply to your Instagram story AI Summit, then this particular automation will be triggered and we will collect their details and send any sort of messages over there. So this is active as well. So let's quickly test how this actually works. So here let me open my mobile over here and send a message right here, and let's say AI Summit. So let me simply send this message. It says message sent, and as you see, we immediately receive a response saying, "Hi Robert, the AI Chatbot Summit is coming up in December 2025 and it's going to be a fantastic event packed with latest AI chatbot innovations. It's take place on this particular date. Would you like to attend?" So let me say yes, and now it will simply collect the particular customer's phone number. So let me enter the phone number right here, 435673, and let's see what happens. So it actually provide them an option to climb the spot. So if they tap on this particular link, it will take them directly to the website where they can actually purchase the particular ticket over there. And here customers will also receive an SMS as well to the phone number they provide, and as you can see here, we receive the SMS: "Thanks for your interest in the AI Chatbot Summit," and here they got the link again. So what happens is that in 10 seconds they will also receive the 30 seconds they will also receive the follow-up message as well. So let me go to this particular Instagram again and show you. So as you can see, we receive the follow-up message as well. So here we received the follow-up message as well. "Hi, just a reminder, did you get your ticket for the AI Chatbot Summits? Don't miss out." So here if I say yes, it will say, "Perfect, we are excited to see you there." And they also receive the SMS just one day before that event, and also receive the follow-up message as well. So you can even track all the conversations happened on the Instagram through this omnichannel inbox as well. So let me open this one. So here, this is the person, they reply to your stories right here, and you can find all the conversation including the phone number they shared as well. So since they provide the phone number, you can actually subscribe them to any sort of SMS marketing campaigns as well. So there is a tons of possibilities over here. So that's a quick video on how you can actually maximize your event ticket sales using Instagram and chatbot automations. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.